What's up, everybody? My name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, the channel where I teach you guys how to pick up regular items that you can find anywhere and flip them online for a profit. So we are finally doing a how to sell bras online video. I feel like most of my, not most of my sales, but a lot of my sales are bras. I preach to you guys, buy the bras, go through the bra section, get uncomfortable. I mean, if you're uncomfortable around bras. I definitely am not because I'm a woman, but some people are, even some women are embarrassed to go through the bra section in a thrift store. But I am here to tell you that there is money to be made in the bra, lingerie, shapewear section. That if you're not going through it, you are missing out on. So first, I'm gonna kind of show you guys the brands that I tend to gravitate towards when I'm looking. There are a few exceptions to everything, but I'll kind of go through that as well. But a few bra brands that I really love. This is a Third Love bra, and I'll show you the tag right there. This one happens to be in very good condition. I paid $3.98 for this bra, and I am happy to. Most of the time, bras that I find are either, 50 cents to $7. And most of the time, I try to stick between like 50 cents and $5 max, unless I know the bra is gonna sell for a decent amount. So I would pay $7 for a Victoria's Secret Bombshell bra because that's the one that adds 2 cup sizes. A lot of people really like that bra, and I've sold them for $25 to $28 plus shipping all day long. So I know that I can make a good profit spending $7 on that kind of a bra. But if you're just grabbing a regular old, a regular old like Victoria's Secret strapless bra, this is not Victoria's Secret, but just a plain old Victoria's Secret strapless bra, I would not pay more than $5 for, because most of the time you're gonna get $20 to $25 plus shipping. And you could pay $7, but I am not here to spend $7 on a bra. The reason I like bras is because they're cheap, they're easy to list, you don't have to measure, and they're easy to ship. So there's a Third Love bra. Third Love bras retail for, I'd say like $50 to $70. Another reason people really like to buy bras online is that they are so expensive to buy in the store retail. Like, I'm talking Victoria's Secret bras, 40 to 50 bucks, Soma bras, $65 to $70. There is so much savings to be found by buying secondhand, and we are in such an overproducing country and world that there is so much to be found secondhand. And it doesn't have to be beat up, it doesn't have to be worn out for somebody to not want it and sell it, because this looks brand new. So somebody might have ordered this, tried it on, and then decided just to not return it for some reason, and they decided to donate it. So they don't always have to be worn out for you to find them at the thrift store. This one's also another great bra brand. It is called Wacol. And I believe they sell this at like Dillard's, maybe Macy's. I'm not sure what department stores are still a thing because I don't really shop retail much, but this is a Wacol bra. Now they make all kinds of different bras. This one is unlined. I do find that unlined bras sell very, very well, like more than the lined ones do. So that's something to think about as well. But this brand actually was on Oprah's Favorite Things, or she mentioned that this bra is all that she wears. So Wacol has a huge following because Oprah's very influential. So if she says that she wears it, there's going to be millions of people that are going to want to buy it. This one is going to be the exception. So this brand is nothing special. Secret Treasures, sold at Walmart, but it is a really nice style. If I can get it to figure out here. It's a really nice style, really pretty, and it's a larger size. So this is a 36 double D. So I'd say like plus sizes, any really, you think would be a hard to find size. It doesn't really matter the brand because somebody is there looking for that size. and a lot of times they're just desperate to find it. So that would be another thing. Now, I wouldn't expect that bra to sell for $15 to $20 because it didn't retail for that much. So I'm thinking like 10 to 12 on that one, but I paid $1. So on brands like that, I would like max pay $2 for it if you want to make a good profit. Let's see here. So these aren't anything special either. And the only reason I bought them is because there was 2. So these are Bali. And I'm not sure where they sell Bali, but it's not a fancy brand. 2 unlined lace bras. When I find brands like this in the same size and in the same style, or it doesn't even have to be the same style, just the same size, same brand, I will pick them up if they're at a cheap enough price and I will lock them together. So these 2 together will probably bring 15 to 20 bucks plus shipping. And that is gonna be worth my $2 investment for sure. This one is a Victoria's Secret. Hold on. It's all wrapped up. Here we go. So this is a Victoria's Secret incredible perfect shape bra. So honestly, any Victoria's Secret bra in good shape, even in bad shape at like 50 cents or at the bins, I will still buy. Because Victoria's Secret bras in terrible shape, I have sold for $8 to $10 to $12 plus shipping. People have their favorite style bra, and honestly, if they don't make it anymore, they're desperate and will pay whatever. So if you find a Victoria's Secret bra that is discontinued, that is also great because people that love it are willing to look for it and probably pay a premium. So this one is in incredible shape. Incredible bra, incredible shape. It is a size 34C. I only paid $1 for this one. So really nice. So Victoria's Secret bras, I will pick up any style. It really just depends. So like I said before, the one that adds 2 cup sizes, the Bombshell bra. I will pay probably up to $7, maybe $8 for a Bombshell bra because I know they sell for close to $30 plus shipping. But on a regular bra, I would probably max pay $5 for a Victoria's Secret bra because across the board, they're gonna be $18 to $25 just depending on the style, the size, the condition, things like that. So there is that one. This one's just a Warner's bra, which again, not the best brand. And it obviously, it doesn't look that great right now. Yeah. Warner's, again, not the best brand, but I only paid $1. So it really just depends on how much I'm paying, what brands I'm gonna pick up. But Warner's, again, a lot of people wear it and some people are looking for it. This is a size 38B, and yeah, I'm thinking $10 to $15 for that one because it is in pretty good shape. Let me see. This one's just Vanity Fair. I'm just kind of going through the bras I just bought. So this one's Vanity Fair. It is in like almost like new condition, especially like the tag, it's like really, really soft. I just kind of go on a case-by-case basis. So this one's really super soft. It's in like new condition. I mean, it doesn't look like it on the camera. Soften out the cup a little bit. Like new condition, it is size 36C. And somebody will pay, you know, $10 to $15 for that, and I only paid $1. Let's see here. This is another Wacol bra, so somebody will definitely buy that. Now, plus size bras is a big market. So anything Kashik, because Kashik is the Lane Bryant brand for bras. So Kashik, if it's in really good condition, even new with tags, I will pay, like I've paid close to $10 because I sold it for $35. So plus shipping. So that is worth it to me, but anything that's used, I would probably pay $6 and under for. This one's in really, really good shape. I paid $3.95 for this, and it's a size 44B. So that might be a hard size to find. Is it a B? Yeah, 44B. That is a really hard size to find. I never find that size. So somebody out there is looking for this, and they're most likely gonna pay $22 to $25. That's normally the price I sell my good condition Kashik bras at. Now, if you find one that's in crappy condition, I'd say at least 15, well, 12 to 15 plus shipping, which again, if you're paying $1 for a bra and you can flip it for 15 bucks, that's 15 times your money. So I most definitely think that that is worth it. There are other brands that I do, tend to go for. These are just the ones that I found recently, but I would say Victoria's Secret, Kashik, Third Love, Wacol. I don't know if I'm missing any of them. There's Livy Active, which is like the sports bra brand for Lane Bryant. So there's all the caveats, there's everything. You just kind of have to use your best judgment, look up comps. But I am more than comfortable selling bras at this point, so I kind of know what they go. So now we're on to listing the bras. So to list, all you need to do is lay it out on a table or hang it up if you want to, and take a photo of the front, take a photo of the back, and then take a photo of the inside. So like the inside right here, because this is what gets the most wear because it's rubbing against somebody's body all the time. And also the armpit area. The armpit area is something that you want to photograph as well, just to let people know what the actual condition of the bra is, because laying out front and back could hide, excess pilling on the inside and things like that. So you always want to under promise, over deliver on condition of bras. I always just lay it out there and be like, hey, this has a lot of wear, it has a lot of stretching, a lot of pilling. Make me an offer, kind of a thing. Because sometimes I do get overexcited and I pick up bras that I probably would not have picked up if I would have looked it over better. So that's that. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Do you guys sell bras? Do you think it's a good pickup? I definitely think it is, because anything that I can list that I don't have to do measurements on is a win for me. It's literally like 4 or 5 pictures and boom, they are up on eBay. So thank you guys for watching. If you like content like this, if you like me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.